Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can log out of Google Classroom or switch to another account. You're just going to select this profile page and then you're going to switch or either log out. There's really no other way to do this. You're just going to select your profile. It's the same as is on your mobile phone as well. You're going to go to your profile. You can either switch. If you really want to log out, you can add like another account in your Gmail app instead. But that is how you can log out of Google Classroom. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.